The CNC, Computer Numerical Control, electrical cabinet is an important part of the machine's control system, helping to control and protect electrical and mechanical components. The main components in the CNC machine's electrical cabinet include CNC Controller. This is the main control center of the CNC machine, receiving and processing data from CAD/CAM software to control the machine's moving axes. Inverter, used to adjust the rotation speed of the spindle motor by changing the frequency of the current supplied to the motor. Power supply, provides power to electronic devices and control circuits in the CNC machine. Relays and contactors, controls the on/off of large electrical devices in the CNC machine such as motors, cooling systems, and other components. PLC, Programmable Logic Controller, controls and manages machine control signals, such as axis travel, safety sensor, or limit switches. Servo drives and servo motors. Servo drives control servo motors, providing precise control of machine axis movement. Circuit breakers, fuses, protect the electrical cabinet and internal components from overloads or short circuits. Transformers, convert voltage from the power supply to the appropriate voltage for the devices in the CNC machine. Cooling system. Fans or other cooling systems help reduce the temperature inside the electrical cabinet, ensuring that the devices do not overheat. Sensors and limit switches help control and respond to the position, speed of the axis, and other safety factors. These parts work together to help CNC machines operate accurately, safely, and efficiently.